Are you planning a trip but you're not sure whether or not you should purchase the travel insurance? Well, let's break down travel insurance and understand why and if you should pay for it.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So first off, let's understand what travel insurance typically covers. So typically most travel insurance covers missed flights, medical emergencies, lost or stolen luggage, and so make sure you are reading through those policies carefully because they do differ between policy and policy, but those are the typical things that they're going to cover during your trip. So now that we understand what travel insurance typically covers, now let's look at our personal situations or scenarios to understand if that's right for us. So if you're traveling with expensive items, or you're traveling with a pre-existing medical condition, or maybe you're traveling to a location that has a bit of uncertainty, whether that's weather or whether that's an actual event going on, etc., these all may be cases that are going to lead you to purchasing travel insurance because of the uncertainty. So the next thing to consider when debating whether or not to get travel insurance is the overall expense that you're paying for this trip in total. So if it is an expensive trip, it may be worth the peace of mind to just purchase that travel insurance just to know that you have everything covered. However, before purchasing the travel insurance, we do urge you to do a bit of research on the current credit cards that you own or your personal insurance itself, because we found that sometimes either the credit cards or the personal insurance actually has some sort of travel insurance put in there, so you may already be covered and you didn't know. Another tip for you is just like everything else, there are plenty of options of different travel insurance, so just don't pick the one that's offered to you right away. So if you have a particular travel insurance company that you like to work with and have experience with, comment them down below because we'd learn to love from you. However, if you did make the decision to purchase travel insurance, we do urge you to purchase that as soon as possible to make sure you maximize that coverage, because as you get closer to the date of your trip, that policy is going to change slightly, and so will the price. So there you guys have it. We hope this information helped you decide on whether or not travel insurance is right for you. Complete disclaimer, we don't use travel insurance on any of our trips. We've been super fortunate, knock on wood, but these are some things to consider when booking your travel. And so if this video was helpful, please consider giving us that big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button for more travel tips and adventures. And most importantly, remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on with?